Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change Facebook Messenger language. It's super easy to do. Let me show you how you can do it. By any chance, there is no option in Messenger to change your Messenger language, but in case you will go to the your phone settings, like in iPhone, I will show you how you can do it. And then you have to simply click on generals, and then you will see over here, scroll all the way up, and you will see over here language and region. Click on that, and then you will comes in this page. On the top you will see preferred language. Simply do is you have to click on add language, and then you have to simply choose the language that you want to add over here. There is multiple languages that you can see over here. As you can see, bunch of languages over here. You have to simply select that language and download that language, and then simply turn or restart your iPhone, or by any chance your iPhone will be change your language. As you can see, I will show you. If you want to change it to um, French, or another language that you want to change, you have to simply click on that, and then you will see over here two options over here. You can simply do is click on the first one and then change your language, and then it's gonna be changed on your all the iPhone settings, or all the apps that you wanna change, or as well on the Messenger it will be changed. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.